Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, January 28th, and this is my PM video where we cover the most popular pairs, do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame for the euro dollar, the pound dollar, and gold, because those are always the most popular pairs by far. If you haven't done so already, definitely join my free trading Discord community. The link for that is up here in the corner and at the end of the video, 100% free to join. If you would like to join my membership program where you get access to all the benefits listed down here below that are scrolling across and more, you do that by signing up at fxpipcollector.com. It is only $30 per month. So anyways, let's take a quick look at the news calendar. This evening in the Asian session, we have Aussie CPI. Definitely a big news event for the Aussie pairs. Keep an eye on that. And then tomorrow we have all kinds of stuff going on. We got the Bailey speaking from the Bank of England. We have the Canadian interest rate news, which they are planning on lowering interest rates by 25 basis points tomorrow. And then we have the U.S. federal interest rate news, which they're actually planning on not lowering interest rates tomorrow. Definitely the big event tomorrow is going to be the US dollar interest rate news, and I am going to be live streaming on YouTube for that news event. So definitely make sure you come back and check that out. I will be live streaming for pretty much 2 hours because we definitely want to be covering the press conference also here on YouTube. So anyways, let's take a quick look at the three most popular pairs. Starting off with the euro dollar, very slow day. I mean, the market technically opened here and we only made it to there. Very slow day. I think this is a valid breakdown. I think that the wave A or wave one, like I was talking about this morning, is complete. We're probably eventually going to go up and make a correction, which would be like a wave B. Doesn't have to do it now. It could keep on drifting down. And eventually, I would think that it would make a wave C. I would expect to either see an ABC or a WXY or some sort of a corrective pattern down to probably at least a 50, 61, maybe 78% to finish off an ABC of B or an ABC of 2 before we make that big move up for the wave 3 or the wave C. If you want to see the more full top-down analysis, check out this morning's video. Moving on to the pound dollar, very slow day on the pound dollar too. We definitely made a pretty nice impulsive move off to start the day, but besides that, very slow going. If this is going to do like the other pairs, I would expect to see a push down, probably down to the 50, 61%, which I would expect it to do something very similar to the other dollar pairs. I would kind of expect to see maybe some sort of an ABC shape, an ABC, WXY, some sort of a corrective pattern down to one of these Fibonacci levels before we do make that impulsive turn up. Just like the euro dollar, I think we're likely going to go down like a B or a 2. This is either an A or a 1, and then we should get a big push up for a 3 or a C. With interest rate only about 24 hours away, it's going to be interesting to see how this plays out between now and tomorrow's news, how it sets up. Moving on to gold. Gold did start a pretty decent move up today. I mean, the gold markets have been moving pretty nicely today, and most of the other markets haven't. Now, if you saw my morning video, you see me say that I think this could be the end of a wave B, but we don't know for sure. We don't have that nice break and hold below structure that would tell me that that is true. This possibly could just keep on going up and make a new high, definitely. Now I have my Fibonacci retracement on this last move down. I still think there's a good chance this is a wave A or maybe a wave one, and now we're in a wave B or a wave two, and that we likely will get a Fibonacci bounce. So if you do see it react to a fib level in a big way, like make a big impulsive move down with a lower high, now it should be the end of a correction, wave B, wave two, and it should be an entry to go short for wave three or wave C. With tomorrow's interest rate news, I would expect it to have a big effect on gold also. So we're going to have to see how it plays out between now and tomorrow to see how it sets itself up for the news event, which like I said, I will be live streaming for that news on YouTube. So make sure you stop and check that out. So anyways, I hope everybody enjoys the rest of the evening. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.